Why'd you do that?
Sorry, I was laying down.
All this footage. And none of it is funny. So people at home, the Berg family has a new hobby. Fishing. We've gone 3 weeks in a row every Wednesday morning, and we have about 30... Oh my god, wait. We have about 1 minute and 35... 1 hour and 35 minutes and 18 seconds worth of footage to share with you. I'm going to be cutting that down to as little chunks as I possibly can, but hopefully you enjoy.
It's car time.
Don't send me a message Bill left.
I'm sorry, who?
Brick Dickham, he sent it in the cock and ball torch.
It's not even. Wait,
Update on Brick Dickham's wall. It's still half done.
Camera
That
change.
wall really does
camera change?
divide
I'm not taking the camera.
No, in your mouth.
Oh!
So, what's your recommendation for hook? The fattest one I can find? Okay. I'll get the variety pack. Up here. If we're fishing at the games club that we're a part of, they have a lot of crappie there, so we're gonna get the crappie hooks.
Crappy. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna get the bad hooks. The worst ones we can find.
Nice.
Don't look, but that kid looked like a fat Jarek. We can't record that. Are we being a nuisance?
What?
A nuisance?
You can give me an ice.
No. What?
Go ahead. Go away.
No.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Heidi, right or left Twix? Left? Okay.
Get her a right one. Get her
That's
a
a
right
left.
one.
No, I'm not mean.
Yeah, get him.
Left Twix.
Completely different.
That's fine.
How are we gonna get this in my car?
I'll hold that out the window.
Yeah, that's what I was. Okay, let's
Yeah.
go.
He's got that cheese touch.
Can you do that? I said man. Oh, it's raining already. Oh, it's fishing already. It's raining, look.
He's acting like a fish.
He's eating the fish.
I'm eating the
Eat fish
fish.
without me.
This is the only water I
Computer
get.
balanced system? Oh, really?
Is the
He
only.
goes up and down.
Oh, I can change. Set.
Oh!
I can lock it so it goes one way and then lock.
Bye.
Wow, this rain is quite raining. Ain't it? Yep.
Yeah.
Put my rod in there.
Ooh. What is that? What is that? Raining. Whoa, good God. Look at the one. Look at the little guy.
Nice.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Look at the little guy.
It's already bad on the side.
It's a lot longer than I
So
think
my
it is.
trailer, in a really strong wind, my trailer rammed into my car. It got blown in it.
It got blowed. It's raining.
Yeah?
Why? Why'd you do it, Ayden? Why'd you do it? Why'd you make it rain?
No.
Stop it.
No.
We're going fishing without you.
Fishing time.
No. No.
Get in the car.
It's in the water. It's at the bottom of the lake.
No, dude, I didn't get the where's your phone part.
What the hell? Riley, where's your phone?
It's in the bottom of the lake.
Can we call it? A fish picked up. Blub blub, mister. Blub blub.
Yeah, so the fish are now subscribed to Berg.
Worm. Blub.
I wonder what the. We can't put that in the video. We can't put
Yeah,
that
we
in the video.
can.
No, we can't.
Yeah, we can.
Ask the fish
Hold
if they
on.
know Matt Hurd.
Hold on, I'll be right back. What?
You guys come in. Whoa, what are you doing?
Not in Utah.
This is how we fish in Detroit.
Ready?
Yeah,
Be
yeah.
free, little bird. Fly like like a bird. I want to fly away. I don't know.
I'm hungry.
Well, you just threw the food away.
Riley, where's your phone?
No, go back. Okay. Did you lock it?
Why is her shirt so opaque?
What? No, it says.
Good Popeye.
Kapope.
The council will now check your vibes.
How do I do?
She's got a long neck.
How do I do? Okay, thank you.
Tuna.
The tuna again?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll call Ethan and see if he wants anything.
Don't call me. I want the Italian nightclub.
Italian nightclub? Okay. Alrighty. I didn't know you guys were in the same room.
Hey, audience, what sandwich you want from Jimmy John's? Tell Dad.
Tell him to text me, but don't give him my number.
Okay.
But oh. Yeah. Oh, you're so good.
She's so overstimulated.
They're out of food. Give them food.
No.
Okay.
Yep.
I want some of that.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a hat. No, it's a hat. It's okay. Aiden, you do it. Just trust me. No, it's okay.
Look over here.
Door. It's on.
Oh, aren't you pretty? Cream. Oh. Thank you. Kitty. Kitty 2. Kitty 3.
Oh.